Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am psychologist Mishika Sethi and you are tuned into Leap Over Life. I hope you must be having a lot of fun at home right now, like having tasty meals and spending time with your families and getting to know them much more better. I hope all these things which I just said are true for you all because too much good has been purchased for us this time. I know. I am watching glass half full, not half empty right now. But many of the students over there must be worried and seeing the glass half empty because it has brought a lot of problems for them right now. It's time to talk about their future. Students who have given their final year exams are waiting for new openings or their potential studies are worried because each and every person has a goal, has a dream in their mind which they want to pursue in their life, and now they are thinking, how should we do that? In what way should we achieve those goals? It's very simple. For this particular moment, you need to calm yourself down first because I know it is a very tough situation to fight with because the final year students have just given their exams and are waiting for their results, or many of them are still waiting to give their exams. It's okay. Unlock has been started and the year will be over soon. But what about the new openings? At this present moment, people are not ready to go out of their houses because they are worried. They don't know what the situation where they are going is. They don't know how to pursue even. If you want to talk like, okay, you got the job also and now you are also ready to go out. But your parents are worried. Your family is worried that would you be safe over there? Tell them, if I will take all the precautions that are meant to be taken at this particular moment, then I will be safe. If new openings are not there at this present moment for you, then turn this moment into new opportunities for yourselves. For example, you need to reach here and there are two paths. You can go through a straight path or you can take a long cut and reach there. The shortcut is not opened for you right now. Then what will you do? Obviously you will take a long cut or you will find a way out. So this is the moment where you need to find a way out for you, for your goal, for your dream that you have dreamt for like 20 years till now, like every day. And this is the moment where you can tell yourself, yes, I see myself at that point and I will reach. No matter what it takes. You need to find your own way out. Okay, so how do we do that? It's very simple. First, keep yourself calm and motivated, most importantly. Remember your goal, your dream. Yes, I have to reach there and I will reach no matter what. I know hurdles will come. We can't avoid them, but we can learn how to fight them to reach our dreams, to achieve our goals. Suppose you want to become an international sports person, okay? So, you can't just make a goal and leave it. No, you need to make sub-goals. When you will achieve your sub-goals, it will help you motivate more so that you can reach your final goal. So, what are the sub goals? How do we make it? Your journey starts from the school itself. First, you play school level, inter-school level, then district, then state, then national, and then international. So you see, sub goals help you reach your final goal. This was just an example. Okay, you can't just overnight be an international sports star. No, you can't. You need to start thinking, you need to pen down your journey from the beginning itself. The day you dreamt, you need to start working on your goal. The day you thought, you can't just wake up in the morning and say, I'll become an international sports star. No, not at my age. Obviously, I can't be an international sports star at this present moment. If I wanted to be one, I had to work on this from my past on only. Okay, so just think and make a proper sub goals. Third step is take advice. There is no harm learning from a person who is more experienced than you. Our parents can help us. If you think our parents cannot help in the field which I want to go, then ask them to whom I should take the advice. They will give you the best advice in this world, and I can bet on it. Fourth step is take action. Now you have made your goals, now you have dreamt your sub goals, you have taken advice also. But if you'll not take action on them, if you'll not work for it, your goal will not be achieved. For it's like obvious. You need to work for it. Hard work always pays off, but you need to work for it. Okay, now you have taken action also, you have worked hard also. What if you failed? No problem. You have not failed. You have learned a lesson. And I have said this in my earlier video also. If you want to learn this, you should go and watch it. Keep practicing. You need to keep practice. You have failed once, twice, thrice, no problem. You haven't failed. You have learned 3 lessons. Now you know what things you don't have to do to achieve your goal. You have got closer to your goal, right? Now we have practiced and everything. What if it doesn't turns out to be well for me? No problem. Explore different ways. There are 100 of ways in which you can reach your goal. It's just that you need to find those 100 ways for yourself. No one else will do that for you. Okay, a person will tell you only 1 or 2 ways. You have to explore other 98 ways for you to achieve that goal, right? Just learn how others did. This step will help you explore much and much more steps that can help you reach your goal. You need to just learn from others. Okay, I know most of the people think I am the best, I know what to do, I don't need anyone's advice. No, that's wrong. You need advice, you need to learn, because someone else who is much less who is at the lower position of you than yours can have a better idea than yourself. You just need to learn from anywhere, and anyone can teach you any lesson. Then build upon your strengths. Most importantly, you know that you have this particular strength and you know you can work well with it, but build upon it. Enhance your skills. You can enhance your skills in different ways. Go through classes or do something. Just enhance your skills. Work hard. Practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Right? Is review and fix mistakes. Okay. On your path, on your journey, I know most of us would have made mistakes. I have made a lot of mistakes reaching here. So what should I do? Should I just leave them? No, I should fix them. And we will fix those mistakes that we have made, and we will review the past to make our future better. And most importantly, don't give up. If you fail once, twice, thrice, doesn't matter. Just don't give up on your goal. Okay, so I told you some tiny steps to reach your goals. So let's review them quickly, okay? Take action. Try hard. Keep practicing. Explore explore different ways. Ask someone for advice. Do best. Learn how others did it. Build upon your strength. Review and fix mistakes. Most importantly, don't give up. And if you need any advice related your career, your goal or anything, you can reach out to me by booking your appointments at mishika2080@gmail.com. I will be very happy to help you. Okay, so stay tuned and keep watching Leap Over Life. I'll be back with another interesting sessions